Hey guys, we're the contemporary fashion brand Cultnaked. We're from Ukraine. Our mission is to empower women and make comfortable, sexy clothes. We're currently published in Forbes, Harper's Bazaar, Vogue, etc. We were worn by celebrities like Kendall and Kylie Jenner, Ariana Grande, Normani. So basically we're kind of, Pop Sugar says, we're the new celebrity favorite. We started as a really small brand of 3 people from our little tiny office and grew into 16 people in the main office plus outsource in PR and outreach in America. So this happened over the lapse of 3 years. In March 2018, we dressed Caroline Vreeland. That pretty much kicked off our celebrity way of marketing, and this is where we are right now. So these are some of our Vogue publications, not all of them obviously, but we're super proud of it, and we decided also to place it on the wall, kind of. This is Monty. He's helping us breathe really well. And we're gonna move on to the samples. This is our studio, basically studio/showroom kind of thing that we're doing. We're shooting all the content here. That's why the samples are hanging here. Our business is based in Ukraine because of many reasons. First of all, the people, there's a really huge creative cluster here. There's a lot of talented young people that you can work with. We have great we have great modern infrastructure. It's if you heard about Ukraine, you probably heard about IT, about fashion industry, about all of this stuff, and it makes a really good kick here. So I think young people are doing a really great job in Ukraine. I'm gonna show you guys our very first item. This is a squirt. This is inspired by tennis and, you know, the uniform, and it has shorts underneath. We thought it's gonna be our product for like 1 season, but it turned to be an all-time favorite of our customers, so that's why we're prolonging it, and it's gonna last. So we're gonna always produce it, so basically this is our hero product. I think if you're having some kind of a stigma around how it is here, you should just come and visit and try and dive into our creative cluster, because it's very inspiring. I'm very proud of Ukrainian quality of production when it comes to fashion. There's a lot of people who know what they're doing and a lot of people who want to learn. A lot of big brands come to Ukraine to outsource. Ukraine is in the center of Europe, so it's really easy to operate and navigate here, and that's what makes it a great country for business. So this is the infamous trousers. They go their thing. Why these trousers, not other trousers? Why celebrities love these products? Because people keep asking me this all the time. That's because they're super long and they're really fitted on the waist. They have a really nice fit on the butt and, you know, stuff. That's why they make you look insanely well. Like anybody, I haven't seen a person that looks bad in any of our clothing. That's our thing, basically. We make women look good and feel really good about themselves. Yeah, and this is how we go. It makes me really proud that our business model is not so harmful for the environment and is really ethical, because we work in Ukraine and we have our office, everything all together. We know which conditions our sewers are working in. We know which conditions everything is produced in, which is very important to have to be an ethical brand. Also, our plan is to get more sustainable, textile, and be more of a power brand of 2100, you know. This is a small part of what we do, and here all my precious girls are doing all new stuff for Cultnaked, and we're gonna try out the new top that they're constructing right now. I think this is gonna be a total hit. I'm super in love with this item. And also I just like literally cut this top, and I wanna do it with the recycled plastic kind of textile, and we're gonna try it out today too. So just get in. I want to be new age. I want to create something different. I don't want to go standard classic retail that is very harmful for the environment. So that's where we're going at the moment, and that's what we're trying to inspire others to do. So exciting. This one is a little complicated because there's a lot of, it's not a ribbon, what do you say it? The ribbon, the elastic. There's a lot of elastic bands on it, and they have to go some kind of way. But I'm very, very excited for this item. At this moment, we're sending out thousands of orders to our consumers in United States, in Britain, in Australia, in Europe, sometimes China also. Right now, we're not the biggest brand yet, but I'm really proud of where we are at right now. Every day we work to inspire other young people to create in Ukraine. Every day I want to do something better. I don't want people to think locally, I want people to think globally. It's my personal mission to create more workspaces and to create more inspiring workspaces in Ukraine. I want everybody to say like, oh, you know, Ukraine is the fashion part of Europe. I'm done. And I'm wearing Cultnaked.